Hello children. Good morning everyone. I am Jayanti, your science teacher. Are you ready for the today's session? That's good. Now we are learning block 3, that is digestive system. Let's start with a small recap of this block. First one, organs in the digestive system. The organs that make up the digestive system are mouth, tongue, food pipe, stomach, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Next, process of digestion. Digestion of food starts in the mouth. The process of taking in the food is called ingestion. The food travels from the mouth to the stomach through the food pipe. From the stomach, it enters the small intestine and then passes into the large intestine. Solid and undigested waste from the food reaches the rectum from the large intestine. Finally, it passes through the anus as feces. In the digestion process, the food is broken down into smaller substances. The smaller substances and water are absorbed by the wall of the intestine. The process of passing out the solid waste from the body is called egestion. Next, functions of organs in the digestive system. Digestion begins in the mouth. Food is chewed by the teeth and broken into smaller pieces in the mouth. Here it is also mixed with saliva. Saliva is a watery substance in the mouth. It makes the food moist and soft. Then the food passes to the stomach through the food pipe. The stomach muscles mix the food by squeezing and relaxing. In the stomach, food is mixed with some juices that help to break down the complex substances in the food. The stomach also has some strong juices that kill any germs in the food. The food then travels into the intestines. Most of the nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine and extra water absorbed in the large intestine. The undigested food that the body does not need is stored in the rectum and digested from the anus as feces. These are the topics we learned in the previous classes. Next, bonus question of the day. Today your bonus question is, which of the following is healthy food? Which of the following is healthy food? Do the bonus question in your online exam section. Let's move on to today's topic. Tell me, have you ever experienced heaviness in your stomach? Maybe. We may often feel heaviness in our stomach or a bad bowel movement. Why do you think it happens? Yes, while the food we eat does not digest properly, we feel the heaviness in our stomach. This may happen if the digestion of food we eat is not good. And healthy digestion depends on some of our day-to-day eating and other healthy habits. So, today our aim is suggest healthy habits related to digestion. Today we will learn about digestion and healthy habits. Now open your workbook. In S4, there is a passage given in question number 1. First, read the passage carefully. Shall we start reading? Good. It was early morning. Rehan was getting ready for a very busy day. He had so many things to do that he did not even get time to have breakfast. I will buy a burger and eat it on my way, Rehan thought. During the day, he again did not get chance to have lunch properly. He ordered some food and ate it in a hurry. For dinner, he bought a pizza and some potato fries. The next day, he did not feel well. He felt like throwing up and also had an upset stomach. I hope you have read the passage with me. Now, put the video in pause, read the passage once again, and underline any two things that can cause digestive problems to Rehan. After that, write two things in your notebooks that Rehan should have done to avoid digestive problems. I hope you have done your work. Now tell me, what did you underline in the passage? What are the two things that can cause digestive problems? Yes, burger and pizza. Next, what suggestions did you make that Rehan should have done to avoid digestive problems? You are right. He should take healthy food. Rehan faced digestive problems due to eating unhealthy food. Burger and pizza are unhealthy food. So, he should have taken healthy food in his meals to avoid digestive problems. Next, what habits should we practice for keeping our digestive system healthy? Some of you say that by eating healthy food, and some of you say that by drinking more water. Let me say, a healthy digestive system is directly related to what we eat. Junk food slows down the digestion. So, we must eat healthy food. We should also eat on time. We should chew our food well. It helps the saliva to mix well and break down the food into smaller parts. Drinking plenty of water also helps to mash the food we eat and pass it through the digestive organs easily. Regular exercising helps to keep these organs fit and healthy. Have you understood? I repeat once again. Healthy habits for digestion are eat healthy food, eat on time, chew food well, drink plenty of water, and exercise regularly. Okay, next, Heart's question. What should we do if we feel too much pain or uneasiness due to unhealthy digestion? Some of you say that tell the problem to our parents. Right. Let me say, we must take medicine to feel better. Should visit a doctor if it is too bad. We should take light food such as fruit and porridge for a few days. Next, practice questions. First question. What happens to the leftover food after water is absorbed in the large intestine? What happens to the leftover food after water is absorbed in the large intestine? Next question. What keeps the digestive organs in their place? What keeps the digestive organs in their place? Why don't they fall down? Answer the questions in your notebook. Next, worksheet questions. First, read the passage and answer the questions A and B. What health problems did Rehan feel the next day? What health problems did Rehan feel the next day? What do you think caused these problems? Read the passage carefully and answer the questions. The second question is, write any 2 habits that we need to follow every day for healthy digestion. Write any 2 habits that we need to follow every day for healthy digestion. The last question is, one day Meena had an aching stomach as she ate a lot of fried food. What should she do to feel better and also to make sure that this does not happen again? Have you ever experienced this problem? You may have the experience. Some of you may have that experience. What did you do on that time? Yes, in that time, we take some medicines prescribed by the doctor. After that, we can eat only the healthy food. That can be the problem does not happen again. Okay? With this topic, we have completed the block digestive system. Do your homework regularly and get a sign from your parents in the planner. Don't forget to do the bonus question in your online exam section. In our next class, we will discuss the question and answers of this block. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. God bless you.